You ever have one of those mornings when you open your Etsy or eBay dashboard and it feels like tumbleweeds rolling across the screen? No views, no sales, no movement. Well, that's precisely where our friend Bill found himself one rainy Tuesday morning. Bill had been selling handmade wood-crafted home goods for 3 years, cutting boards, coasters, small decor pieces, all with great reviews, steady sales, and loyal customers. He wasn't getting rich, but he was proud of what he built. Then one day, boom. Etsy changed its algorithm, and his traffic dropped by 70% overnight. He kept refreshing, he kept hoping, but nothing changed. A friend asked him a simple question. "Do you have an email list?" He laughed. "I'm a woodworker, not a marketer." But that night, after another day of silence, he realized something important. He had no way to reach the people who already loved his work. So he created a tiny opt-in. "Want your wood products to last longer? Grab my free wood care and conditioning guide." He added it to his shop announcement and tucked a little card into every package. And slowly, people signed up. Not thousands, not hundreds, just real humans who liked him enough to say, "Sure, I want to hear from you." A few weeks later, he had 137 subscribers. One Friday morning, he sent a simple email. "I just finished a new batch of Automo coasters. They're not in the shop yet, but I saved a few for my email friends." He hit send, went to make breakfast, came back to 11 sales. By noon, the entire batch was gone. That was the day he realized something powerful. He didn't need to wait for Etsy to bless him with traffic. He didn't need to pray to the algorithm gods. He had his people, his community, his list. And that list became his safety net, his stability, his freedom. If you're selling on Etsy or eBay, and you're tired of unpredictable sales, start building your email list today. You don't need fancy tech. You don't need thousands of subscribers. You just need to start. Read the blog linked in the description for more details. Your future customers and your peace of mind are waiting.